It's pumpkin season, and here's a delicious recipe to use up your pumpkins. We're making pumpkin muffins with a cheesecake swirl. To get started, add to a bowl 1 cup of pumpkin puree. This can be fresh or canned pumpkin. 2 eggs, half a cup of a neutral oil like canola or vegetable, 2/3 cups of brown sugar, 1/3 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Whisk all of this together. Now sift in the dry ingredients. That's 1/3 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and the spices are 1½ teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of cloves, and 1/2 teaspoon of allspice, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Fold the dry ingredients into the wet, making sure not to overmix. Stop mixing as soon as you see no more flour. For the cheesecake mix, add 6 ounces of room temperature cream cheese to a bowl. Mix in 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 egg yolk, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix until everything is combined. Line your pan with muffin liners and fill with the pumpkin batter. Using a cookie scoop to do this is the easiest way. This recipe makes 12 muffins. Add the cheesecake batter on top and swirl around with a toothpick. Now rinse and repeat for all the muffins. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. And that's it! If you crave pumpkin spice anything during fall, definitely give this recipe a try. The cheesecake adds so much flavor to these muffins, and they're extremely moist and tender. I don't even like pumpkin, and I love these. Especially with butter. I eat all my muffins cut in half and warmed up in the microwave with butter on each side. It's delicious. If you're looking for more pumpkin recipes, check out our pumpkin cheesecake macaron video. Link in the description below. They're also very delicious. Thanks for watching! Bye!